When attempting to delete a property in Google Analytics, you may have encountered the following error message. This property is part of a link between a UA property and a GA4 property and cannot be deleted. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of successfully unlinking and deleting it. Click the arrow button to return to the columns. In the property column, select GA4 Setup Assistant. You will notice that the status reads connected. Scroll down and you will come across a disconnect button. Click it to unlink the property and confirm by clicking continue when prompted. Now navigate to property settings and proceed to delete it by selecting move to trash can. Confirm once more and you are all set. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, please consider showing your support by hitting the like button and subscribing if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.